happening? It's opening day in the southern Manitoba region, May 9. Falcon Lake is one of the places I like to hit on opening day, and this year we decided to come out here again. I have a feeling the smallmouth will still be deep. Water's cold, it's like +2 Celsius out here right now. The walleye should be going good. We haven't casted a line yet, we just got here at the crack of 9. Opening day, crack of 9 a.m. we're out here. We're gonna cast this shore along here. I like hitting shallow points, fishing docks for walleye. You can imagine that. And then we'll see what's happening and go from there. Falcon Lake, come on, let's do this. Look at that little fish, that's a keeper. So in the tournament, that would work. 15 inches. Good release. First pike of the year. Pretty popular now for smallmouth bass, but they catch a lot of walleyes too. That's just on a little Cabela's 1/8 ounce mushroom jig on a TRD. Throwing it up tight to shore. Water temperature is cold, it's like 42 degrees. Ice just went off on this lake about a week ago. And we're throwing these lures up shallow up into the rocks and some sand flats, and the walleyes are picking them up. You're barely feeling a thunk or anything like that. It's just sort of you pull back and there's weight on it. There's one. Oh, look at that nice walleye. Check this out. See this, Jerry? That's a big one. We're BAS Elite here. We're not using nets. Beautiful fish. Look at that walleye. Wow. Like I said, we're using Ned rigs. They catch a lot of bass, but they catch walleyes too. That's on a light, like I said, a 1/8 ounce mushroom jig. And we've got a Z-Man, messed it up a little bit there, TRD. Well, look at that fish. So that fish is about 21, 22 inches. Beautiful. We've caught a handful, like I said, we're just casting it to shore. We're gonna put this back in the water. Nice work. Like I said, we're just casting that out into the shallows there. We're in about 5 feet of water here only. And as a lot of people who fish these know, it's almost just throw it out there and forget it kind of thing. And then hop it back every once in a while. And you'll feel a light thunk. Reel up the slack and set the hook like that last one. Excited over this one. 17. Oh, he's over. This is one of those. Look. Oh, what's the mark?
It's like almost 18.
Oh, that's too much because the line.
What if you leave it open?
45 centimeters is the call. So you go close, and look at that. That's one of those heartbreakers that it's not even 18, but it's still over the 45 mark. So that's got to go back. This lake is full of Area A heartbreakers, just like that one there. Too impatient sometimes with these things. You throw it out there and let it sit. A shorter rod actually helps because then when you swing it back, it doesn't move it so much. I'm impatient though. I just want to swim it back here with a swim bait. But if you're patient enough, you'll feel a little tick and then you set the hook. I got something that's pretty big. Oh, it's a big pike here. Oh, look at the pike. Whoa, look at that. The Ned rigs catch bass, they catch walleye, they catch big pike. Hold on, let's see if I can beat this. My idol Jeff Custom said this is how he does it with bass, not with the big pike. We're gonna lose it. Got the shot in the water. Look at that. Okay, we're talking Ned rig here. Hold on a second. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice one. Well, let me get that up here. chunky. There is a slot limit here. Let's check it out. 45 centimeters on the judge. In a tournament, this would be a heartbreaking red zone 19-inch fish. Beautiful. Isn't that nice though? Put that back in here. Nice Falcon Lake walleye. Hey, it's cold. I'm telling you, it is really cold. Fishing's hot though, so that's good. Yeah, this Ned Rig is really kicking butt today. That's all of, that's a 4 or 5 pound walleye, 23 inches or so. Gorgeous, slamming it. Wind's blowing out of the north, so we're moved up this way and then we're casting out towards shore. We get a nice long cast with the wind behind us. That's a beautiful fish. You're gonna put that in. That's a nice chunky walleye. You see how healthy they are on Falcon Lake? Falcon Lake is one of my favorite lakes to fish anywhere. Just outside Paloma. A lot of people fish your community spawn. Look at this walleye hooked into. Beautiful. Oh, if I can Jeff Gustafson it, if I can. Oh, we just came off. Look at it. Walleye. Right in front of the president of the Bass Association there, Ben Lang. I know he loves his walleye. There it goes. Alright, not a bad first day. We caught them all over the lake too, about 6-7 different spots. I lost a bunch of fish too. We caught all of them. They're very finicky. So that Ned Rig was pretty good to slow it right down and give them a chance to inhale it. No, it's a good day, man. On to the next spot. Alright.